Namaste. How's it going? The Ujjayi Pranayama and the Khechari Mudra are a powerful combination in channeling the energies, especially if we do them simultaneously together in the practice of pranayama. Why so? During Ujjayi Pranayama, we utilize the muscles of the throat in drawing the breath in. Therefore, we confine the movement of the energy by sealing the other exit points of the breath. So we narrow the back of the throat through the engagement of the throat muscles. We also constrict the upper chest. And then there's this lifting up action of the rear part of the mouth. And then the narrowing of the nasal cavity as well. Good. So that is already powerful in directing the energy from the extremities, from the sides to the midline, and up to the higher centers of the brain. The Khechari Mudra reinforces that action. Khechari Mudra is the folding of the tongue to the back of the uvula, this one. The Khechari Mudra, what it does, you further confine the breath to the back of your nasal cavity, like you're collecting that breath in a vacuum inside. And then when you practice the Ujjayi Pranayama in conjunction with that confinement of that vacuum within, you further reinforce the electrification of the breath and the channeling of the breath to the higher centers in the brain. And therefore, you amplify and you increase the potency of these two techniques. And then you add the other techniques of pranayama. For example, doing Ujjayi Pranayama, Khechari Mudra, and alternate nostril breathing all in one. You can utilize the tongue within, in directing the breath to specific points in the brain. For example, I breathe through my left nostril, sealing my right. Ujjayi Pranayama and Khechari Mudra inside. I move my tongue distinctively inside to reinforce the sealing, and at the same time, I could send the vibration, the sensation, and the current of the breath to this hemisphere of my brain. Good. So when you do that, you also increase the purification and the magnetization of your cerebrospinal fluid. And of course, you do it on the other side. Like you are keeping the sealed part of you closed, and then keeping the other one open to collect and absorb the breath. So there's two powerful techniques. It's like a combination of the many mudras all in one, Ujjayi and Khechari, and adding the techniques of pranayama. Another alternative to serve this function is the Nabo Mudra. The Nabo Mudra is simply the sealing of the surface of the tongue against the hard palate, and then you draw to a gentle suction to the back as you inhale. The Ujjayi. But in the Nabo Mudra, it's not as confined. It's not as deep. It's not as concentrated. Whereas in the Khechari Mudra, you can really feel like you are pulling and collecting the breath to the midline, because at the back of the uvula, there's this dome, there's this envelope. Like you can confine the breath there before you send the breath to the brain. Like there's a pouch behind the nasal cavity. And before you direct the breath there, you collect all the energetic forces inside the pouch and then send that to the higher centers of the brain. But I use this in the practice of my pranayama, as well as before my meditation. So if you're at the stage of your practice that Khechari Mudra is light for you already, and then you know how to breathe the Ujjayi pranayama, you can combine those two techniques in the practice of your meditation and energetic observances, especially the Nadishodhana and the other mudras of the eyes as well. Good. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Namaste. Bye-bye.